believe it's 2016 or 2015. I'll find out for sure. Volvo VNL. It was having an air leak. Went through and checked everything up underneath as far as the dryer and all that good stuff goes. But if you'll look down in here, and a lot of people try to see if you can see that. A lot of people were commenting saying, or I was reading a lot about people saying that they were having issues when they were driving down the road, losing a lot of air pressure, and the compressor keeps having to kick on. And the actual load leveling system itself, the problem we're running into here was somebody decided to drive the truck and I believe hit something at some point, because there's a little bit of damage up underneath the bottom there. Whenever they hit it, it shot back through here and actually knocked that off. So all we're going to do now is replace the bar and see if that's going to make a difference. Alright, so obviously not an ideal location to be doing it, but it's a little bit more real world practical, if you will. If you have this issue for some reason at a truck stop, or God forbid breaking down on the side of the road, get some money and some time. You also see here that I'm not sure what exactly they were trying to accomplish here. But that's just tape. You can tell the difference. And that just mounts up here. Okay, so you want to make sure you keep a little pressure. I know it's going to spin like a big on this. Alright. But like I said, you can see, I mean, it's semi-old. It's not really dry rotted. But that's where the problem is. The cab height adjustment there. What I was talking about. So it mounts right here. The nut itself, I don't know if that's going to get in there or not. Rides on the inside of the frame. So you're just going to adjust that with a 10. Just going to need 10. Easiest way is going to be to come down here on the bottom. Keep a little bit of pressure on it. Make sure that it stays seated. Elliot grabs. Like I said, these are all, that's all we're running out here. It's gonna be VNL Volvo trucks. Most of them are the D series, 500 in them. Pretty decent trucks, and this one it is a 2015. All of them are bought brand new. By no means do we have the most of them in the world, but we do have 24 of them. 24 trucks, 24 trailers. We'll go over the trailers later. Yeah, it's holding, so that fixed everything. So that's gonna be pretty much all there was to it.